Is your Outlook inbox just stuck and not showing any emails, even though you know messages could be coming in? Well, this can happen if your Outlook might be set to manual sync. Your internet connection could be acting up, or there might be a sync issue. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it using simple solutions. And if you need additional help, then get the real-time expert help by calling the numbers on the screen. So let's get started with the solutions now. Method 1. Remove your Outlook add-ins. First, press the Windows key plus R at the same time on your keyboard to open the Run box. Type Outlook/safe into the box and click OK. A Choose Profile window will appear on the screen. Just click OK to move forward. Look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. On the left side panel, scroll all the way down and click on Options. Inside the Options menu, find and click Add-ins. Scroll to the bottom of the page where you will see Manage section, click the Go button. Uncheck all the add-ins in the list, click OK, and you're all done. If your problem is resolved, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. But if your Outlook inbox is still not updated, then continue with the next method. Method 2. Remove your account and then re-add it. Start by opening your Outlook program. Now, go to the search bar on the taskbar, type in Task Manager and open it. Once Task Manager is open, look through the list of running apps and find Outlook. Click on Outlook and then hit the End Task button to shut it down completely. Now, go back to the search bar on the taskbar and search for Outlook again. When Outlook appears, click on the Settings icon on the page. Find the Manage option next to your account and click on it. Scroll down a little and you will see the Remove option. Go ahead and click on it. Once your account is removed, sign back in with your email address and password, then try sending an email to see if everything is working.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help@emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.